This is video number 2 of the Interactive Brokers platform introduction, and on this video I'm going to go over how to scan the market, or how to use a market scanner on Interactive Brokers. The 3 buttons from the last video that are left are the Book Trader Market Scanner chart. We're going to click on the market scanner and it will bring you to this window, and there's going to be columns: instrument, location, filter, parameter. And we'll start over on the left. Instrument, you're going to be scanning US stocks. Location, US stocks listed on the NASDAQ, and these are the larger exchanges here, and NMS and small cap. And then down at the bottom there will be pink sheets, OTC, BB. Those are penny stocks. We don't want to scan for them. So when you click this pink with BB, uncheck that box. It'll uncheck all 3 of them. You don't want any of them being scanned for. You just don't want to trade them over the other stocks. Then in the filter there will be price, and in that box you can click and you go less than, greater than, or in a specific range. So what I do is I will go price less than 30, and then volume greater than, that can vary. In the pre-market it'll be just greater than 1K, and then once the market's open I'll switch it to 100K. Basically, I'll look for more and more liquidity as the day goes on, although I won't continue to raise it because sometimes the stock can get volatile midday. So anyhow, that's the volume. We'll just set it at 1K for now. And then in the parameter, you're going to want to select hot contracts by volume. So basically, it's going to search for stocks that are trading at a higher than normal volume. So you're gonna find the most volatile stocks on the day, and when a stock is volatile, it can reach very far in a certain direction. It can become very undervalued or very overvalued, and that's what you want to take advantage of as a trader. So basically, that's the very basics of how to set up this scanner, and then you'll hit search, and what that will do is it'll bring up a scanner like this here, and this scanner is for prices less than 30. And then this is for greater than 30. So greater than 30, in this window here, you would have selected greater than. So I do this to split up the scans so I can follow more stocks. Box out of that, and here are your scanners right here. And there will be different columns when you set it up. I don't remember what the default columns are, but if you go up to the columns here, when you put your mouse on, let's say right here I have the column shortable. I'll line it out a little bit. Put your mouse on this, and it'll give a little brief description, and also above your mouse here it'll say insert column or remove shortable. So you can insert and remove these columns. What I recommend is that you don't have any more columns than you need to. You just have the ones that you want to follow that are the most important. And the columns that I think you should have up is obviously the contract, what stock it is. Shortable is important just because if you're a short seller, you might want to see this. It gives you an idea of whether or not the stock might be able to be shorted and how difficult it is to locate shares. Anyhow, shortable, percentage change, volume, news title, news time, and then also another column that I like to have is time and force. So I'll just show you how to go about that. You'll click insert a column in time and scan, market scanner, time and scan. And then this will show you how long the stock has been in the scan for, starting from when you entered it. Once the scanners are set up, you can reorder the columns by clicking on the header of the column. So right here is percentage change. Basically, I click it and it will reorder the stocks. When you bring up the scan initially or sometimes throughout the day, the scan will get out of order. So to reorder it, you'll hit percentage change. You hit it a few times, and basically this will put them in order by the percentage change. So you can see which stocks have fell and which stocks have spiked and went up the highest. And usually the stocks that are further extended one way or the other are the ones that are going to be better to trade. And you're also going to want to follow volume closely too when you're sorting through these stocks. There can be a lot here, and you're going to want to pick the stocks that are more liquid. Like AMRN here, far more liquid than a stock that traded 209,000 shares on the day or 262,000 shares. You want to trade the stocks that are more liquid. We'll get into that more later, but this is the basics of how to set up the scanner.